Hey, what's up? This is Cheezer right here. Gonna show you guys how to remove the harness if you have a second gen Tacoma and you got that check engine light because of a knock sensor. Bank 2, I believe. This is how you remove it. I used this long pick with the flathead screwdriver. I already removed the manifold and the intake and all that stuff, the plenum or whatever it's called. So you can see through the wires, they're all chewed up right there. Kind of hard to see it, but there's that harness that's underneath this pipe. That one. That one's pretty hard. The other one was easier, so I'm gonna show you how to get this one off. I'm kind of able to. Damn, my bad, people. This thing trying to position the camera. I'm using my phone. So the harness is in there. I stuck this in here, which is this one, and I pulled the clip up. The clip's on the bottom actually, so I'm gonna pull the clip up, and then I use my flathead over here and I pushed it out of the way. My phone is actually in the way. Trying to show you guys, my bad, so you can save some money. Just trying to position my phone right so I could show you. So you're gonna push the clip out from over here. You can see I already kind of did it. Kind of use the screwdriver flathead and I pushed it out from over here. At the same time I was pulling up. You gotta pull up. See, it's coming up. It's a way better deal. So I was pulling up down here and I was pushing out right here. Push out. It's gotta be done at the same time though. I didn't do it with both of my hands and the phone. There you go. Clip this out. Get the clip out. Chewed up ones are there. Get this out of the harness right there. See it now. It's loose now. Could actually move it out. See, there you go. It's over here. I'm messing with it over here, so there's the harness right there. Goes out that way. Goes from here, goes back that way. You see it right there. All I gotta do is pull it out from the back. I got one more clip back here. That's how you take it off. Didn't take me that long. It's kind of hard to get in there, but you could get it done. Alright, man. I'll see you guys maybe on the next time. Next repair. I don't know. Hope they don't chew this up again. See, the clip is out. Just gotta remove it. Replace it with this one right here.